similar to what you're doing actually today. So this is a quest 6. So this is one of the Chiquita's screen. That screen is actually explaining you something and asking you to do something. So what game mechanic is that?
Onboarding.
Any idea?
Transparency.
No, it's goals, right? It's simple. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to tell you this is your goal. You have to play this game. If you play this game, you will win this or whatever. You will get these points. That's your goal. So that's a game mechanic that they're trying to do here. So if somebody answered goals, you can put 10 points. So
Onboarding.
that's not onboarding. Onboarding is like they'll just explain you, okay, this is what you need to do to navigate through this website, or your points are here, you will earn badges here, and you will have a leaderboard over here. This is actual task that you have to complete to earn points. So that's a goal mechanic, a game mechanic, which is goals. So the next one is that the virtual passport that I was talking about, where people actually stick their stickers in. What game mechanic is that? Badges, right? It's very simple. That's badges. So whoever has answered that, badges, mark 10. The last one is there's a news feed over there. What game mechanic is that? Community. Yeah. So community. Whoever answered that get 10 points. So there's an interesting concept about community. As I mentioned before, right? Community is a place where we want to share our accomplishments and we want to see what others are doing. What they do is when you earn a badge, they give a newsfeed item where they show your name and they say you have earned this sticker for 15 seconds. That's your 15 seconds of glory in that community. People want that, right? And then at the same time I said, it served as a way of establishing social norms for the site. If other people are doing behavior X, then I should be too. And you know that's possible because they have done it. So if somebody earned that badge, it is telling me that I should also earn that badge. Because they did it, I can do it as well. That's one of the powerful concepts of community. Whoever has answered the last 3 questions right will get the banana blaster badge. So you can put a sticker on that. Okay, so now let's quickly jump into big data, the third element. So we have covered motivation and we have covered gamification. The last topic today is big data. So what's big data? I mean, a lot of you probably have heard this term and saw presentations, and I don't want to be the say I don't want to tell you guys the same thing again. But I found this definition very interesting in a book that I read recently called Big Data: A Revolution That Will Transform How We Live, Work, and Think. So what the author says in that book is big data at its core is nothing but predicting something. They coined this term machine learning, which sounds very interesting, but it's not teaching the machine to actually act like humans, but it is actually applying a big science of math on big data sets to infer probabilities. That is the core of what big data is all about. So if you think about traditional data, we have known that data has been traditionally stored in RDBMS systems, like customer data, transactional data, geographic data, maybe the likes and dislikes of your magazine subscriptions. All these kinds of things were used traditionally by these direct mail marketing campaigns, and they were all in a structured data. But today, data comes from everywhere. Data comes from click streams, data comes from RFID sensors, GPS, IP addresses, social media, mobile. So every one of us is a walking data generator.